Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with a special severe weather briefing for this Saturday, December 28th, 2024. The focus of this briefing will be on our moderate risk that encompasses most of our county warning area, and it'll be likely expanded further to the north for the severe weather event expected today through tonight. In addition, there will be a heavy rainfall threat today and tonight as well, with rainfall totals between 2 to 4 inches within a short amount of time, and this will pose a limited risk of flash flooding. All right, our main slide here is the severe weather risks that we're expecting today through tonight. There's already a tornado watch box that encompasses the southern half of our county warning area this morning. The event is already starting with cells propagating from the southwest to the northeast into our southernmost zones, and this will continue into the afternoon. But most of the area, as you see encompassed in red with the number 4, is under a moderate risk. And again, this moderate risk will likely be expanded further to the north, with the enhanced risk, the orange, being expanded all the way up to the rest of the northern portion of the county warning area. We're looking for multiple rounds of severe weather today. The timing indicates the best guess of when the greatest threat of severe weather will be occurring across the sections of the county warning area. The severe threat today includes tornadoes which will be likely. Some will be possibly strong, and a few may even become long tracked. Another threat is a damaging wind threat that's enhanced, and 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts will be possible, and large hail up to the size of golf balls. All these threats will be occurring or potentially occurring across most of our county warning area today. In the orange and further toward the north, there may be an enhanced risk. So tornadoes will be likely in this enhanced risk area, some possibly strong, with damaging wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour and large hail up to golf ball size. The cells will be more discrete this morning into early afternoon, and this may culminate the first or second round. But all this may congeal into a line that'll be sweeping across the county warning area along and ahead of a cold front, and this will be incorporated into the later timing as it marches across the area. The greatest threat, timing wise, across the area depicted from Greenville, Mississippi, across Jackson and Hattiesburg, so from northwest to southeast across the area. These graphics depict the greatest ramp up time, and you can see what we have circled here is around sunset or thereafter. So the greatest threat will increase during the afternoon, occur around sunset, and after sunset. That's the greatest time period for the greatest amount of severe potential that we have across our area today. And like I said, another threat that we're highlighting with this particular system is a limited threat for heavy rainfall. And it'll incorporate the several rounds that we have talked about. And then with any of those rounds, 2 to 4 inches of rain in a short amount of time could lead to runoff issues and localized flash flooding. This will especially occur in our urban and poor drainage areas. That concludes the weather briefing for today. And as always, stay safe and thanks for viewing.